I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit trays, only way. Start by selecting ripe, flavorful fruits and wash them thoroughly. Cut fruits into bite-sized pieces and arrange them by color and texture for visual impact. Use a mix of soft and firm fruits to balance flavors and keep berries whole to prevent bruising. Add fresh herbs or a light dip to elevate presentation and flavor for guests. Prepare fruits just before assembly to preserve freshness and prevent browning. Use a sharp knife and consistent sizes for presentation and ease of eating. Pat berries and sliced fruits dry to avoid excess moisture on the tray. Group fruits by color and texture to create attractive sections that guide the eye. Chill the platter briefly before serving to keep everything crisp and refreshing for your guests. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to freshen your ride and keep snacks smelling great too. I've placed the link and other deals down in the description, so check them out for a quick purchase. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Arrange fruits to tell a visual story, starting with bold colors in the center and softer hues around the edges. Mix shapes and sizes to create movement and make the tray inviting. Scatter mint sprigs or edible flowers for a fresh, upscale touch without overpowering flavors. Keep dipping sauces in small bowls so textures stay crisp, and consider skewers for easy grabbing at crowded parties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.